Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to answer a question which was asked by you, and that question is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes. It is very possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time, but the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you're applying to. For example, in African countries, the process for spousal sponsorship and work permits can vary greatly depending on the country, as each has its own immigration policies. However, many African nations have frameworks for spousal sponsorship and employment visas which allow foreign spouses to live and work in the country. For Morocco, for example, when it comes to spousal sponsorship, also called family residence visa, foreign spouses of Moroccan citizens can apply for a family residence visa. The Moroccan spouse must provide their nationality and the foreign spouse must provide documentation of marriage. The process is typically handled by the Moroccan Ministry of Foreign Affairs or the local consulate. When it comes to open work permits, after obtaining a family residency, the foreign spouse can apply for a work permit, which is usually required to legally work in Morocco. The process may involve obtaining approval from the Ministry of Labor. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.